Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the online learning session of your CPC subject, that is Indian Constitution, Professional Ethics, and Cyber Law. So, in today's video, we will be learning the basic introduction of this subject and also about the examination pattern, that is how the question paper is going to be and how the marks distribution is being done. So right now on the screen what you can see is the syllabus copy of the CPC subject. So on top you can see the subject name, that is Constitution of India, Professional Ethics and the Cyber Law. Now why I'm repeating the subject name again and again is because this is the different subject which has been included in your technical education system. And the next you can see here is the course code, which is 18 CPC 39/49, which you all have to be aware about. That is, one has to be aware about the course code always. Now moving on to the examination pattern, it's like other subjects only, where the marks pattern is again 60s to 40, where 60 is for the main exams and 40 is for your internals. Now talking about the main exam, though the marks is of 60 marks, but still the question paper will be of 100 marks. 100 questions will be given and you need to attempt all the 100 questions, and finally that 100 marks is being going to be reduced by the university to 60. Okay, now how the question paper pattern is going to be is, it's going to be of MCQ pattern, where 4 options will be given to the each questions, out of which you have to select one correct answer. Okay, so I hope you are clear about the main exams. 60 marks, but still the exam is going to be of 100 marks with 100 questions, and you need to appear, or you need to attempt all the 100 questions, and finally the 100 marks will be reduced to 60. Now moving on to the internals part, as I told you all, it's of 40 marks, where 3 internal tests will be conducted. Each internal test is going to be of 30 marks, and remaining 10 marks will be for your assignment. So total 40 marks will be rewarded to you all on successfully completion of your 3 internal tests with good marks, and also on submission of your assignments on the given date. So the assignments will be given by me to you all, so see that you all submit it on the given date itself. So I hope you all are clear with the marks distribution system and also the examination pattern, and right now you know the subject code also. So proceeding towards the introduction of this subject. So the CPC subject is being again segregated into the 3 parts. The first is Indian Constitution, which we are going to study about Indian politics, Indian constitution system. The second is Professional Ethics, which is very important for every professionals, especially here the subject is focusing on the engineering ethics, because y'all are going to be successful engineers in future, so you have to follow the proper ethics at your workplace. Then the third part is again the cyber law. Since we all are living in the technologically advanced world, it is very important to be aware about the cyber law and also the cyber crimes. So the module 1 is going to be on introduction to Indian Constitution. Now here we are going to study about the basic knowledge, that is how the Indian Constitution came into picture and who are the main people, the main important persons behind our Indian Constitution, where we are going to study about the preamble, fundamental duties, fundamental rights, and also about the importance of our Indian Constitution in our society. And also we are going to study about the different complex situations which has been arised in our country, and also we are going to study about the directive principles. So basic knowledge about the Indian Constitution we are going to get in the first module. Now why this subject is being introduced into your technical education system? Because in future everybody is willing to work for the government sectors. Everybody wants a government job to have a secured future, and for that you need to appear the competitive exams. And in every competitive exams, the first paper is going to be on the general awareness, which will be having the topics like Indian constitutions and the cyber laws. So these are the basic topics which will be asked for the general awareness question paper. So So that is why this subject is being included in your syllabus, so that you'll get prepared in prior only for your further competitive exams. Then the second module is on union executive and state executive, where we are going to study about the state government and central government. As we all know, our country has got a two government system, that is the state government and the central government. In detail, we are going to study in the second module. Then module 3 is about elections, amendments and emergency provisions. So being a citizen of India, it's our duty to be aware about the election system, how it takes place, and how each process takes place during the elections. Okay, and what are the main rules and regulations. So that we will be studying again in this third module, along with the amendments whichever was being made into whichever the new amendment was being inserted in our Indian constitution, and also about the emergency provisions. Then module 4 is on the second part of the subject, as I told you all, that is professional ethics, engineering ethics. So here we are going to study about the ethics, and also how to be a successful and a good engineer, how to be a good professional at your workplace following the good basic moral principles. Then module 5 is on the last part of the subject, that is cyber law, internet law, cyber crime and cyber laws, where we will be studying about the IT Act 2000, net neutrality, and also the different types of cyber crimes which are taking place. So these are the 5 topics, 5 modules, and these are the few of the contents which we will be learning related to CPC subject. So furthermore videos I'll be making on each modules, and I hope you all are clear with the subject pattern also, and see you all soon in the next video. Thank you.